Hey everyone, LinkedIn has a new feature now, so I'd like to share that with you. So if you're a job seeker and you want to let everyone know that without actually cluttering your headlines, such as actively looking, whatever it is, there is a way that you can let everybody know. I'd be cautious on it. I would leave it up to you if you want to show everyone that you're looking for a job. But some people would have a preference to let everyone know, and some people are still searching from inside without letting people know. That's totally up to you, your preference, whatever works. So if you want to let people know, then what you can do is you can go to setting and privacy, and then you can go all the way to job seeking preference. You can go to let recruiters know if you're open to opportunities, and you can go learn more. When you click on that, the first thing you could see is enable or manage open to work. See, the hashtag now is there. You can go click on that. And then what's going to happen is you can add title. Let's say if you're looking for something, let's say if I'm looking for a career coaching, career consultant, let's say I'm going to put it allows you to go up to 5 title, and then you can add location as well. So I'm just going to go location Canada. Let's see if I'm open to relocate or entire Canada, or I'm going to go like Toronto. Let's say I'm going to put that right there. So let's say if I want to add start date, I can add immediately. I'm actively applying. That's new right now. Or I can put flexible, casually browsing. I can put like full-time, contract, internship, temporary, remote. Let's say that I'm going to put everything. And then this is the crucial feature. You can update it to only recruiters only. When they search you up, then they can see who is looking, you're open or not. Or you can put it as employer to everybody pretty much on a LinkedIn. So it adds the first one adds hashtag and then the green screen as well. So I don't know, it's not coming up, but let's see. So when you click on the first one, which is share with all LinkedIn members, it adds that green, look at that, the green open to work hashtag, and then adds the open to work photo frame work, and then plus it gives you the hashtag. So I'm going to save it and try it and see. Let's see. So now look, add it to my profile, and then you can also create the job alert. See, look at this here. So over here, I'm not going to go and then update it because I'm not looking, but then look it on the side, it's already updated right here. Look, open to work right here, it's already updated, and then over here the file gets updated as well. So if you're one of those, you want to show everybody that you're looking, it's right there, the tools are right there for you. Totally up to you if you're comfortable letting people know if you're actively looking, but you definitely need to strategize your job search strategy. More than updating it, you got to make sure that you have good LinkedIn optimization so you end up in a recruiter search. If you need any lessons, we teach basic LinkedIn protocol, what to do and what not to do to attract the right people. You can go to teachingdo.com under contact us, and then contact us to sign up for our lesson. Our services are listed online as well under services, teachingdo.com. You can go ahead and invest from there as well. We do classes online. We'll walk you through your LinkedIn profile, and then we will customize as per your need based on your want. Hopefully that's going to help today. Thank you.